In this video, we are going to discuss about lac cultivation. As an introduction, lac insects were living in huge abundance on forest trees. They were not cultivated. Due to the increased demand for lac, human was constrained to develop methods for cultivating lac insects on a commercial scale. Lac cultivation involves three major steps. The first one is selection and preparation of host trees, and the second one is inoculation. Third one is harvesting of lac. The first major step is host plants and their cultivation. Lac insects have no absolute specificity to a particular host plant. They can colonize on different varieties of plants. 14 varieties are common in India. For example, mango, fig, peepal, gular, teak, oak, bur, acacia, etc. Climatic and topographic conditions of the area should be ideally suitable for host plant. The quality of the lac depends more on the variety of the host tree. In large scale lac cultivation, commercial plantations of selected varieties of host trees are developed. When the host trees attain optimum temperature and size, optimum growth and size, lac cultivation can begin. The initial preparation of the host tree for lac cultivation involves its pruning. Pruning helps to form numerous tender branches which provide succulent feeding grounds for lac insects. The major consideration of pruning should be that the health and vigor of the host tree should not be tampered at all in any way. The next step is inoculation. Inoculation is the process by which young ones of lac insects are introduced to a host tree. There are two types of inoculation. They are natural and artificial. Natural inoculation. Natural inoculation occurs as a normal part of the life cycle of lac insect. It is successive successive generations of swarming larvae infest the same host trees for repeating the life cycle. The large scale lac cultivation, natural inoculation is not much advantageous. Drawbacks of natural inoculation. Repeated and continuous infestation of the same tree would adversely affect lac production. Regular crop of lac may not be produced. Swarming larvae sometimes settle on branches in a randomly dispersed manner. Multiplication of the predators and parasites of lac insects. Then next is artificial inoculation. The host trees are pruned first. Usually pruning is done in January or June. When the new branches attain desirable growth, small cuttings of lac encrusted twigs housing a good number of eggs and young nymphs are taken from a donor tree. These are the seeds of lac cultivation and hence called brood lac. They are soon tied to succulent branches of the pruned host tree, either singly or in small bundles. Longitudinal inoculation facilitates maximum contact between the brood and the host. In a few days, larvae comes out in swarms and colonize the tender branches. Now the twigs are untied and removed from the host tree. Nymphs eventually transform to full grown adults in about 6 months. Then the lac is harvested for commercial use. Host trees are divided into blocks or coops based on their varieties, growth and size. Each coop is inoculated according to a definite time schedule. This is coop system of inoculation to avoid the repeated or reinfestation of the same tree. This provides maximum rest to host trees and thereby maintains their health, vigor, and vitality. The next step, major step, is lac harvesting. The collection of lac from host trees for commercial uses is called lac harvest. There are two kinds of lac harvesting: immature harvesting and mature harvesting. In immature harvesting, they are harvested nymphal swarming. Lac collected is called airy lac, lesser in quality and inferior in quality. Lesser in quantity and inferior in quality. In mature harvesting, they are harvested after swarming. Lac cultivated is called lac collected is called mature lac. They will be better in quantity and good in quality. The lac that remains attached to the twig or bark of the host tree is called brood lac or stick lac. It is scraped out from the tree, cleared from all impurities, washed in clean water, crushed and powdered by hand operated mortars, and then sun dried. The pulverized oil and purified lac is called grain lac or seed lac. Seed lac is melted on charcoal fire or cloth bags with arsenic sulfate and then filtrated. The impure lac residue obtained is called kiri lac. The clear filtrate is cooled and solidified to form button lac or pure lac. The button lac is then made into thin sheets or flakes called sheet lac. It is chemically processed to form the purest and finest form of lac called shell lac, which is used for commercial purposes. These are the four pictures of button lac, stick lac, seed lac, and shell lac. And that's all for today's video, and thank you.